A dimensional portal can be described as a doorway that connects two distant locations which are separate by space and time. Places that are linked by a portal include a different spot in the same universe, in which case it might also be known as teleportation. Many are the stories of multiple individuals which claim to have teleported themselves from one place to another, most of the times being against their will. The Bible tells us that God called Jonah to preach repentance to the great city of Nineveh. Jonah refused and took a ship going to Tarshish with the purpose of hiding from God's presence. The Creator interfered and sent a mighty tempest to the point that the ship almost broke in half. The sailors understood that this great storm came upon them because of Jonah's disobedience and threw him into the sea. At that very moment, the storm stopped, and Jonah was swallowed by a great fish. The book of Jonah chapter 2 verse 2 tells us the following: "Out of the belly of Sheol I cried, and you heard my voice." This brings us to the understanding that not only was Jonah in the belly of the fish, but he was also in Sheol, which is another translation for hell. Although the Bible does not say it, some theologians have theorized that the great fish swam to the bottom of the ocean and reached Inferno via a dimensional portal, therefore bringing Jonah to hell while still remaining in the fish's belly. Another interesting story is the Stargate Tunnel discovered in southern Peru by a man called Jose Luis Delgado in the year 1996. This huge mysterious door-like structure is revered by local native Indians as the City of the Gods, and is believed to have transported many individuals to another dimension. Legend tells us that when the Spanish conquistadors arrived in Peru and took their precious stones, one of the Incan priests called Aramu Maru fled from the temple with a sacred golden disc and hid in the mountains of Hayumarca. He eventually came upon the doorway which was being watched by the shaman wizards and showed them the disc, which to them represented the key of the gods. A ritual was performed which opened a portal that emanated a blue light from the inside tunnel. Aramu Maru handed the golden disc to the shaman wizards and went through the portal, never to be seen again. Without a doubt, we are part of a world that hides too many mysteries which are yet to be discovered.